Today, I share with you all how I prepare this delicious peppered puff puff. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I started by measuring 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and sieve it to remove any unwanted particles, alright? Once I'm done sieving it, I added a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar. I will also leave the full ingredients down below. If you're interested, you can check it out. I added nutmeg and yeast. I will go ahead and mix everything together. Take your time to mix all the dry ingredients so they can combine very well. Once all the dry ingredients are combined very well, I went ahead and add some warm water. And I'm adding the water little by little, alright, so I don't add too much. Add the water, mix, add the water and then mix until I achieve the smooth batter consistency, alright. Added some vanilla extract for more flavor. This is optional, alright. If you don't want, you can just skip it. I go in and mix everything very well until they are well combined. This is the consistency I'm looking for. At this point, I'm going to remove the spatula, cover the dough and keep it in a warm place for the yeast to activate for a couple of hours. This is 2 to 3 hours later and the batter has doubled in size. Everything is looking so good already. I went in with some chopped pepper and some onion. Once I add that, I go in and mix everything very well, alright? Take your time to mix it so everything can combine very well. And at this point, I already placed oil on the heat just to allow it to heat up, alright? And you don't have to add a lot of pepper, alright? Just add pepper according to your taste. These pepper are not spicy. That is why I just make use of a lot. The oil is already heated up. I went in with a large of onion just to add more flavor into the oil. Once I add the onion, I go in with the butter. I just scoop the butter into the oil, alright? And at the same time, you want to get the temperature of the oil right. You don't want it to be too hot or to be too cold. If it is too cold, the puff puff will soak oil. If it is too hot, the puff puff will not cook inside. Make sure you get the right temperature of the oil, alright? The first batch is done. I'm going to take it out of the oil and set it aside. And you guys, look at that. It looks so good, guys. And the onion that I hide into the oil, it makes a whole lot of difference, alright? Do not skip that part. Try it. I will just go ahead and repeat the same process until I am done. This puff puff is perfect for breakfast. You can snack on it. You can make it for your friends when they are around. You can make it for your family, alright? It's so perfect for every occasion. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.